Abdominal massage technique 1. Place both hands on the lower abdomen. Use the base of the palms to push upwards, avoiding the bony areas. When reaching the ribs, turn the palms horizontally. Exert force with the palms facing down to press the body downwards. Then lower below the navel. Abdominal massage technique 2. First, slightly flex the palms. Palms are in a hollow state. Place below the navel. Do wave motions with the palms. Stack both hands together. You can feel like there is chi being sucked into the palms. Our hands are like jars, with a sucking sensation. You may not feel it at the beginning. Doing it repeatedly for several times has very good effects. Uterus care massage. Massage the abdomen along 3 lines. Line 1. Push down along both sides of the ribs, then pull up towards the waist. Line 2. Push down from both sides of the navel, then pull up towards the waist. Line 3. Push down from both sides of the pelvis. Also push up towards the waist. Rapid abdominal relaxation. Taiji 8 diagrams. Circular kneading. Separating and kneading. Pushing with both palms following the meridians. Pushing with both palms facing down.